Stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Attention-grabbing graphics and designs are the #1 way to captivate, engage, and retain your customers once and for all. Today, with the shrinking customer attention span, that's just 4 seconds. Businesses all around the globe are investing millions of dollars every year to create stunning designs, graphics, images, etc. to get viewers' attention. But here's the sad reality. Not even 1% of them live up to the expectation, and ultimately, businesses end up losing thousands of dollars. Ultimately, they fail to cut through the clutter and get lost amongst the countless business entities on the internet. Now just imagine, what if you had the untapped power to create and sell attention-grabbing graphics and designs for your offers? And with that, convert your websites, landing pages, blogs, etc. into lead magnets once and for all. For doing all this, you don't need to turn your hair gray for learning advanced Photoshop skills, purchasing expensive software, paying through the nose to unreliable freelancers, or depending on third parties who are just toying with your money. If that caught your interest, I've got some great news for you. Presenting LifeDesigns. Go ahead and take action. But hurry, once this 5-day charter launch is over, LifeDesigns will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So hit the buy button now, and I'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If making money online is your intention or your desire, on my channel I come up with programs and products that will help you do exactly that. And today I have another amazing product, one that I am very proud and delighted to review to you, and it's called LifeDesigns. LifeDesigns is going live today on the 28th of March 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. Of course, this is being put out there by my friends Amit Gaikwad and Anirudh Bavra, and this is in a nutshell an amazing, it said, the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any website, blogs, of course, landing page, and etc. and very much more. So it's a crazy business in a box of a product that you may actually be using to make money on daily basis on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. This is a crazy one. It's a business in a box, and I am delighted to review it to you. And if as such, this is one you may require to get, I will advise you use the first button below on my description area. That button will bring you to the amazing bonuses that I have coined for you, which is exactly where we are. And if you go ahead to stick with me, I'll show you through the sales page of this very one, where you will be able to use the coupon to actually get a $2 discount to get this product for yourself. And if that is the case, I will encourage you also to wait and be able to see what I have for you as long as the members area is concerned. This is the software area which we are going to review together. And with that said, let us see exactly what I have on my bonus page for you. Like I told you, it is the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any website, for blog pages, landing pages, and of course squeeze pages. Any kind of page will be able to be recreated with this very one. It's an amazing one. Millions of business owners like you have LifeDesigns for creating business logos, mock-ups, websites, landing pages, product bundles, ebooks, covers, social media banners, flyers, graphic arts, and so much more. So it's a crazy one that I am very, very proud to promote to you, and this is what the product is all about. I will definitely go ahead with the pricing so that you see what you have here. Here you have the downsell for $14, which gives you all these capabilities. It's artificial intelligence powered graphics and video creator, simply Canva and Renderforest like platform alternative, which means with this you don't have to pay any monthly fees for Canva or Adobe Photoshop or any of these other providers where you pay a lot of money on a monthly basis to actually get their services. Here you create unlimited logo, banners, icons, flyers, and videos, etc. And of course 100% fully editable cloud-based platform, fully editable logo and icon creator with pre-made templates library, and of course millions of searchable royalty-free assets with no copyrights, thousands of inbuilt proven to convert templates to get started immediately, and one-click post scheduler for posting on all social media platforms, and take your design and graphics agency on another level. And here, no design skills is required. It's a step-by-step training is included. And of course, I guess the license, commercial licenses included in this. Now, the OTO number one for this one goes like LifeDesigns Unlimited version, which is $47, which is fairly advisable that when you get this front end for $14, it's always advisable to get this $47 worth of the unlimited version of this front end, so that if you have any limitations whatsoever, you'll be able to cover that with this, because this also, amongst every other thing, it's the unlimited features, and of course unlimited reseller license, and remove all restrictions, and remove watermarks, and more high definition templates, and of course extra searchable stock platform, and GIFs, vectors, and of course videos. Now you have OTO number two, LifeDesigns hosting. It goes for $37, and it has all these capabilities: SEO friendly, create playlist channels, unlimited audience, unlimited views, unlimited lead finds, 30 gigabytes storage, and it has ultra fast bandwidth, and whole lot more, 100% control on your traffic, and fully SEO optimized videos and video pages. So you have basically everything you want on that one. I advise that you get that one too. And of course, OTO number three, LifeDesigns Marketplace, goes for $37, and you have all these capabilities which you can read at your convenience. And OTO number four, LifeDesigns Agency Upgrade, goes for $67. Here you add unlimited users, your own admin dashboard, which means you can have this agency as your own and be able to use unlimited amount of users, which means you can sell it to all these users and keep your profits across the entire funnel to yourself. And you have your own logo and product name, and that's what you have for OTO number five, LifeDesigns White Label. You have rebrand your whole tool, you have your own branding and your own logo and product name, and of course here are the amazing benefits you have when you get this one. It has a whopping 30-day money back guarantee, which means if there is any reason or without any reason you want to return this after 1 month, even after making money with it, you can always do so, and you get your refund guaranteed in the next 30 days. Okay, now this is all about what we have as long as the pricing is concerned. And now let me show you quickly the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Now, bonus number one will be how to convert your traffic fast, which is crazy hack that you need to have. And my bonus number two will be how to get traffic, and including targeted traffic, to any link or offer of your choice. And my bonus number three will be how to create free professional website, which means you can, amongst other things that you do with this very LifeDesigns, you can always have this hack as an incentive that will help you create free professional website for sale using this very LifeDesign apparatus. Okay, so it's crazy combination of the two, and it will bring out the best. Now my bonus number four will be access to a money factory. You have access to how to create a money factory online, which is what the intention behind my reviewing product is all about, to help you create a digital life in such a way that you have geographic freedom and of course financial freedom. And my bonus number five will be all the vendor bonuses for this. You'll be able to be yours free of charge. And with that said, if you use any of this link, when you use the link on my description area to get here, you will use these links scattered all over here, orange almost, to get to the sales page. When you get to the sales page, you will be able to use most of the links there. They are all here scattered. Let us see if we can locate one like this one. When you click that, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. When you do, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks exactly like this, and you have two buttons. The green one gives you access to LifeDesigns product software, and here you have this blue one that gives you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And of course, you have my email address in case there is anything. And with that said, we will migrate to the very sales page and then see if that is the first thing to do. Now, before we go into the very sales page, let us exactly see what the members area looks like. Here you have the software itself, and here you have the dashboard, graphic creator. Here you have the icon and logo generator, which is where you generate your logo and icons. And here you have the search images, BG removal, which means you can remove any background whatsoever on your, and you can collect money on Fiverr. If you investigate on Fiverr, you find out that there are people who actually sell these gigs and be able to remove backgrounds from pictures and make $5 to $10,000 to $10.20, depending on the level and the number of reviews such a person has. Depends. That determines the prices they put out there, and some of them make thousands, tens of thousands on a yearly basis doing this. And here you have the image editor, video editor, you have search videos, you have search vectors, video templates, supports, and of course the tutorials you need to actually properly set this one up. With that said, let us actually see the very software of this very product in action, and that is called demo video for this, so that you can see how this works on your own, and then you'll be able to see if that will help you make up your mind. When we are through with that video, we'll come back to wrap this one up with the sales page. Oh yes, this is my sales page for LifeDesign, and of course welcome back to the channel where I review and promote cloud-based products and info products that generally help anyone to better their lives and make money online. Now with that said, this is the amazing information you have to read on your own. It is self-explanatory, and of course I can assure you that you are going to be able to do a lot of things. Just imagine what the world would look like if your favorite brands look like this, and you can imagine what you can achieve with this one. So you have all this that you can be able to do for people: business logos, reports, box sheets, ebook covers, mock-ups, and you have illustrations, you have product bundles, business graphics, banners. Everything can be done, and these are some of the things you have on Canva, on what do you call it, Fiverr, and the rest of them. You see what you pay with this very software, and $27 per month. You see what you pay on Canva, nearly $13 a month. Here you have $27.62 per month. You have $27.62 as well, and you have Renderforest $14.99, and these are all the money you can make on this very using this LifeDesign. So you have a business in a box for yourself. So with that said, you have 3 steps as always: click, customize, and profit. So that's basically what you have on the very sales page. You have everything you need to actually begin to make money from today by putting your own gigs there on Fiverr or any of the other marketplaces, and you'll be able to actually begin to make money starting from today using this very software. Okay, now these are all the things you have on Fiverr and all the graphics you can do. Look at how much ebook cover costs: $50, $180, ebook covers $175, digital product markup $40. Here are all the things that you can do with these very LifeDesigns, and you'll be able to have your own platform there on Fiverr and be able to make money for yourself. So it basically means that with this software and commercial licenses that it has, you'll be able to begin to use it to make money from day one, and that is very, 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 very encouraging. Okay, with that said, I will definitely see if we can locate the very bonuses from the vendor that I promised to give you, so that you have a peep at what you have there as long as those bonuses are concerned. Of course, at your convenience, you'll be able to go through all this and see if making up your mind will be what you need to do with the sales page. That is basically why I'm scrolling through, so that you see that everything is wired to help you begin to make money as early as today from this very service, and of course this is software. Okay, with that said, I think the very bonuses that we are looking for will be there on the very very dashboard area, which is where you get access to this. And of course, the vendor said he's going to send that through email as soon as someone purchases it, of course using the link on my description area. With that said, we will try to see how we can wrap up with this very review for LifeDesigns. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button to get notifications. With that said, I'll come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye.